Ever wondered how it would feel to set foot on the moon? Well, strap in because NASA's Artemis mission is about to make that a reality again. But this time there's a twist. Stay tuned to find out. You've heard of Apollo, the mission that took the first humans to the moon. Now, meet Artemis, Apollo's twin sister in Greek mythology, and the name of NASA's program set to take the next man and the first woman to the lunar surface by 2024. This isn't just a repeat of the past. Artemis is stepping up the game. Unlike the Apollo missions, which lasted a few days, Artemis aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of the decade. That's right, we're talking about a lunar base camp, where astronauts can live and work for up to 7 days. How exciting is that? And it doesn't stop there. The Artemis program is seen as a stepping stone, a test bed for the challenges of future human missions to Mars. We're looking at a whole new era of space exploration. But of course, getting to the moon is no small feat. Artemis will be using the powerful Space Launch System, SLS, rocket to launch the Orion spacecraft, carrying our astronauts beyond Earth's orbit. From there, astronauts will transit to a lunar gateway, a small spaceship in orbit around the moon, and then to the lunar surface on a human landing system. So what's next? Well, Artemis I, an uncrewed test flight, is already set to launch this year. It will be the first integrated test of both SLS and Orion, and it's going to pave the way for Artemis II, the first crewed mission, and eventually Artemis III, which will land astronauts on the moon. What a thrilling journey, isn't it? Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you feel about humanity returning to the moon? What are you most excited about for the Artemis mission? Let me know in the comments below. Now it's your turn. We've dived into NASA's Artemis mission, but what are your thoughts? Excited about returning to the moon? Curious about the plans for a sustainable lunar presence? Or maybe you have thoughts on using the moon as a launch pad to Mars? We'd love to hear your views. Whether you're a space buff or just love stargazing, your voice matters. Share your opinions in the comments below.